You're bidding on an Atlas Copco GTG 40-SO60-700. This is a pretty heavy duty grinder, pneumatic grinder. This came out of a closed plant, and as you could tell, we do not wash up our items. These are as found. You can use your own soap and water, but give it a shot. Fire it up. This is a pretty substantial grinder. This is probably a $2,000–$3,000 piece. If you went to buy a new one, very nice condition. Weighs 9 pounds. It's a featherweight for the amount of horsepower it puts out. This probably take the chrome off a '53 Buick bumper. Good luck bidding.